Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Mandeville bypass, and this road is also called the Winston Jones Highway. It's named after a very prominent politician from Mandeville. So to the left of us is the town of Mandeville, which is the largest town in Manchester. It's actually the capital of Manchester. So when you're driving on the south coast of Jamaica, you probably, if you don't need to go into Mandeville, you can use this road, which is the bypass, and it saves a lot of time and helps with the traffic congestion in the town. So this is a much easier way if you're just passing through. Let's say you're going to Westmoreland from Kingston, you would drive on this bypass. It's much easier. So all the main towns in Jamaica on the south coast have a bypass. Spanish Town, okay, when you leave Kingston, the next main town you come to is Spanish Town, and there's a Spanish Town bypass. Then after Spanish Town, the next town will be, if you're not going on the highway, it will be Old Harbour. Old Harbour had a bypass, or one was being built, but it was incorporated into Highway 2000. So Old Harbour no longer has a bypass. So after Old Harbour, you have Maypen. Now Maypen, capital of Clarendon, main town in Clarendon, very busy town. That one has a bypass, the Maypen bypass. Then after Maypen, you come to Mandeville, and Mandeville has a bypass, and this bypass is called the Winston Jones Highway. I think the Maypen bypass is also called the Bustamante Highway. And then after Mandeville, the next main town is Santa Cruz. Now Santa Cruz is not the capital of St. Elizabeth. Black River is. But Santa Cruz is on the main road, the South Coast main road, basically. So it's a very busy town. You would have to turn off to go into Black River. Black River is a port town. It's on the coast. And then after Santa Cruz, the next main town is Savlamar. So Highway 2000 is actually coming to Mandeville now. It's going to, the current section, it's going to stop in Williamsfield. But the highway is going to continue all the way to Montego Bay. It's just being built out in phases. So from Williamsfield, the highway is going to run to St. Elizabeth. They actually announced that they're going to build a bypass for Spur Tree Hill. Well, we're not sure if the highway is going to incorporate the Winston Jones Highway, the highway we're on, or they're going to build a new road. Because the highway incorporated the Melrose Hill bypass, which was a part of the South Coast Road network. But they said you don't have to pay toll to use that section of the road that is going to run along the Melrose Hill bypass. So I'm not sure what's going to happen, or what alignment the highway is going to take, if it's going to incorporate this road we're on. And as you can see, there's plenty of space along the side of the road to upgrade this road to a 4-lane road. We'll keep you guys updated once they announce the alignment for this section of the road. But they did announce a Spur Tree Hill bypass would be built, and it would be a part of Highway 2000.